so for today's video, I have a super exciting one. I am going to be unboxing my MacBook. So I have wanted a MacBook for like the longest time ever. I've wanted one since I was like 11. Lately is how
I edit my videos with MacBook, birthday haul with MacBook, unboxing MacBook, case collection MacBook, what's on my MacBook.
But it's kind of hard to get like a really expensive computer when you don't need it and you're 11. So I'm 17 now, a whole 17, and I've been working my butt off to get this computer. This has been such a long-term goal of mine that I had it even on my dream board. Yeah, I ordered it today, but it was only like $9 more to have it delivered today, so I was like, why not? So I think instead of me like showing myself opening it, I'm gonna just flip it around and you guys can see it that way. So yeah, here's the bag, you guys can see. And here's my computer. Also, if you order a MacBook Pro or an iPad, you get free AirPods, which I'm pretty sure you guys already knew. I'm not gonna keep them though because parents bought me some more for my birthday. So, and that was like 2 weeks ago, so I really just got fresh new AirPods. So I'm probably just gonna give this to like my mom or something, but I just want to show you guys. So I got this case. It's a frosted case, but I have a really cool idea that I'm gonna show you guys, but I'm gonna wait until that part of the video. Ready? Yeah, I'm gonna open it now. Here's my computer. Oh, I'm so excited. Here's the computer. I'm gonna put it to the side actually, just really quickly. So it has a charger, obviously for my computer. And then this is just the information stuff. I'm actually gonna keep this though because I know stuff about the MacBook, but you know. Also, this is just the charging box. Alright, so back to the computer. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna lower my tripod a little bit so you guys can see what I'm seeing. I'm gonna take off this.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar. To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Okay, I'll come back to that.